Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time, I hope you like what you see and subscribe. Kayak fishing on the Miramichi River today for stripers. We can see them breaking surface everywhere. Looks like the spawning activity has started. Let's see if we can get the skunk off this kayak. Okay, for setup number one, we're going to use a chartreuse pink sand eel. I think that's a 5-inch. Give her a whirl. Yeah, we got fish breaking all over the place. I think we'll let out about 80 feet of line to start with, see what happens. And we're just going to go with a 5-inch minnow swim bait on the other side. Not sure who makes that one. You can't get the skunk off your boat today. You never will. And we are all good to go. Right there. He's not touching bottom. Might be bumping into schools of fish, to be honest. That's what you call fish. Wow. Oh, that's awesome. Oh my God. Oh, they're so thick we're running into them, for gosh sakes. That's a sin. Okay, we're going to try a popper on the surface, see if we can replicate the spawning behavior, see if that gets any action. A lot of times they'll come up and hit it. Okay, let's make some cast. We're on, folks, we're on. First cast standing up, how's that? Yes, sir, nice fish too. Wow. Woo-hoo! We are going for a ride. Big fish. Okay, we got him. Nice fatty. There's one. We're on. Oh yeah, nice fight. Gosh darn it. Oh! Lose him? No, he's still on. Oh, there he is. Nice. There we go. Probably another 60-inch class. How sweet it is. Comes right out. Oh! Ooh! Man, oh man. Nice strike. Missed him though. Oh, got one right there. Oh, yes, sir. Wow. Man, nice fish, too. Oh. Got him in the boat. Another nice fish. Getting all keepers today. Beauty. Just let him go. Oh my son. That was a big hit. Wow, wish we would have hooked him. Oh, we're on. Oh, oh, yes we are. We're on. There's one. Oh, I think we lost him. No, he's still on. Oh yeah, good fighter. Just gonna keep the kayak moving upriver. Please. Barbless hooks, you cannot let go for a second. Look at that rod bend. Whoa! I bet you that's probably a 5 or 6 pounder. Nothing big, nothing huge, but wow, what a fight. Just underneath the boat now. Right by the leader. There he is. Yeah. It's actually smaller than I even thought. There we go. Little schoolie. Oh, there's a fish. We're on. Yes, sir. Oh, geez, monster. Oh, lost him. Can you imagine that, Dennis? Gotta check and see what the, oh my gosh. Crazy. There we go. That fish is on. Just put some steady pressure on him. No, just come off. There's a fish on, there's a fish. Now, let's keep this guy going. Come on. Okay, we're on. We're just going to keep the pressure on and try multitasking. Slowly we'll make our way upstream. Keep the pressure on them. The uppers. little schoolie. Little tiny guy, but we'll take him. Nice to see the rod go off. What an awesome day. This is a great fishery for the Miramichi. Oh, there's a fish. There we go. Yes, sir. Oh, geez, fighting like a savage. My son. Look at that, look at that. Wow. This is going to be a dog's breakfast, I can tell you that much. There he is. We got him. Nice keeper size. Probably go 60. What an incredible day. The weather's beautiful. Friday of the long weekend. Life is good. Really happy with the kayak now and the way she's rigged. Easy girls. You see I put some extensions on the finder and also the 2 rod holders. Make them a little easier to get to. Oh man, that kind of sucks. You know what I'm looking at right now? Not one. Probably, I'm going to say tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of stripers. Oh, listen, Rob. You hear that, buddy? You know what that is? Oh, he's still on, I think, right? It's not bad. Listen, go ahead. I'm gonna keep paddling here. Okay, brother, we certainly will. We lost that guy, but it's gonna make for some good video. Oh, we are on! Fish on, boys! Still on there? Swimming right for the boat, I think. Yeah, little guy. Oh, come off right there. Getting close to lunch. A few more laps, I think, and then go for some grub. Got a nice hamburger Mrs. Crow made me. God love her. We celebrated our 26th anniversary. Hard to believe how quick the time flies. Raised 2 beautiful daughters. They're out on their own now. Couldn't be prouder of them. I don't know how many times I can say this, but life is good. Oh my gosh, there's a fish. Listen to that drag screaming. he comes. Swimming right for the boat now. Petered right out that fight. Whoa! This guy in the water. Oh, we lost him right there. Never even got to show you guys. Well, friends, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Until next time, stay safe.